Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to use color correction in Unity post-processing. In previous video we've set up our project to use post-processing. Let's start with tone mapping. Tone mapping simply will convert the HDR color space into something your monitor can actually display. I'm going to give you some few examples here. Now I'm going to use this scene as an example for our future testing for color correction for obvious results. Now let's start. First of all, I'm going to go into one of our volume. We have set our volume in our previous video, but I'm going to set it to global and I'm going to remove the vignette. Now let's add the tone mapping. Simply post-processing tone mapping. As I said, tone mapping converts the HDR space color into something our monitor can actually display. And now we have two options, which is neutral or ACES, which you can see that each give a different result due to a different color space. Of course, in wider displays and scenes that have many colors, the effect will be more clear, and it is very advised to use it with HDR, so make sure you enable HDR in your URP setting. Next option will be white balance. The white balance will allow you to change color depending on kind of a temperature. Allow me to explain. We're going to simply add white balance, and here I can control more as a temperature. Lowering it will make it like very cold in a cold area, making it higher in temperature, giving it like a hot area. And we can use tint in different colors, same as lowering it to green, higher to purple. The third option we have is color adjustment. Now this is kind of a self-explanatory, since it allows us to adjust the color as we please. As you can see, I can change the color as I need and acute HDR for more detail and options. Of course, there are change of a contrast, or you can use exposure depending on how much color you want and how much detail it could be. And there's a lot of options you can actually modify and choose. Next we have a channel mixer. A channel mixer allows you to mix and change the three channels, which is red, blue and green, as much as you want in your image. Let me explain. As you can see, lowering it actually remove the color red and making it higher, making a color red more appearance. We can do that the same for other colors. Next we have the color curve. Now color curve allow you to modify the lumen of the image at different intensity, but I'm going to give you simple examples to explain what I mean. In this example, I'll be doing a color splash effect, which is simply make all the image gray except for the colors we're going to choose. We go to the have versus set channel and we turn all colors down. As you can see, our image is now gray, but except I can actually make one color as an exception. As you can see, all my image is gray excepting this green cylinder here. A variety of things you can do in it, but this is just a simple example of how much you can do in color curves and post-processing in general. Next we have shadow, milestone, and highlights. They allow you to control the shadow and milestone and highlight of your image. Next we're going to go to list, gamma, and grain. They are the same as shadow, milestone, and highlights, but they use the ASC CDL color grade. Next we have split tuning. This will allow you to tend between two colors of brightness and highlight. Let me show you. I can actually mix the balance of each color I want. 0 is in the middle, and you can give an advantage for each color. Of course, you can choose the color you want. Now these examples should at least give you an idea and a knowledge how the color correction work in Unity post-processing and how much effects you can do. Of course, the end result depending on what you want, what you desire, and each of those can give you a variety of ideas. Unity post-processing has many tricks up its sleeves, and it's up to us to pick one and choose what we want for our game. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I would like to see you next time.